It's officially 1 hour and 44 minutes to my birthday and the launch of BerryFaeBeauty, of course. So I'm about to open my fortune cookie, and actually I already opened it. I'm redoing it for the vlog. So vlog this.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. I can feel that thing moving.
Good news of a long-awaited event will arrive soon. BerryFaeBeauty, yes sir. I'm keeping this. I don't usually read these things because who got time for that? But that came on the right night. The night before I launched. Good news of a long-awaited. I hope I sell out. I'm disabling the password at midnight. And I'm hoping an hour after I do it that I completely sell out. That's the goal. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna track it. I'm gonna vlog this. As soon as I disable the password, I'm gonna be vlogging it. And we're gonna see. The sales just start rolling in. People are excited. They're messaging me all day. So good news of a long-awaited event will arrive soon. I hope my good news is all products have been sold out. Thank you, babe.
Thank you, that's good.
So we'll see once I launch the results of the website. See what people are, what the people are saying. Oh yeah, so excited. Anyways.
They about to love it, boo.
You're gonna love it, babe. You think so?
They about to love it.
You think I'm gonna sell out quick?
I hope so. Listen, I am so proud of this girl. This girl, I've been telling this girl for like a while now. She is the boss, a literal boss. And you know, glad she walking into it. You know, she's just walking into it. She always been. You know, I'm proud of her. It's motivation. I mean, she ain't getting it. Created on a website, on a little line going. She done. She like dedicated herself. All of this. Hours at a time, fixing this website, ordering, package out the package coming in the mail, all preparing for this moment. And you know, about an hour and some change away, and it's here.
Thank you. So excited, ladies. Make sure your man motivates you. See you in the next clip. It's 11:58 p.m. I am waiting patiently. I'm actually gonna do it right at 11:59. That way at midnight, because I know some people are literally waiting for midnight. So just in a couple seconds, I will be disabling my password so that my website can be live. Happy 26th birthday to me. Online store is live. Let's view. There she is right there. Unlocked. She's officially unlocked. website is officially live. We'll be checking on the sales now. So excited. Happy birthday. Oh my gosh, when I do them videos.
Oh snap.
Happy birthday to you. I'm gonna share it now.
You guys, I am officially a boss. I have my own brand, my own business. I just want to say thank you to everyone who has been with me on this journey. Special shout out to my boo, DJ, for literally being the backbone throughout this entire process for me. I'm so grateful for everyone who has purchased from my website thus far. If you have never visited my website, here is what you are missing. Please go ahead after this video, go start shopping. Shop for your loved ones. If you are a fella, go shop for your girl, shop for your sister, shop for the girl that you're trying to get. I promise you she'll find something on that website that she'll love. I am so grateful and honored to have been blessed to do this, to be a boss finally. I can't believe it, but I have my own brand. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.